What's going on, everybody? I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. This was another fun project here, and this one's very useful. I used to always lose my keys and stuff like that, so it gives me a place to put my keys and my sunglasses when I walk in the door. This one's going to be a customer's of mine. I sold this one. So they wanted to leave it bare metal, so I just put a coating on it so it doesn't rust. And on the hooks here, I left them, I didn't weld them up so that you can move them around along here. This is another example of one. This is actually mine that I have in my little cubby when you walk in the door. And you can see I welded the hooks on here, I painted the chain, and then I also went ahead and added the piece of wood there. So if you like more stuff like this, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.